Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you how to stop your Windows PC from auto-dimming when you are not doing anything on your PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on Start. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, then go ahead and navigate to Settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on System. Under the System, scroll down right here. Click on Power and Battery. Then go ahead and click on Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeout. Click on that. Then scroll down right here, Plug in. Turn my screen off after 3 minutes by default. Make my device sleep after 10 minutes by default. So turn my screen off after, so go ahead and click on here. Then make sure you choose Never right here. Turn my screen off after 3 minutes to save energy higher setting usage. Make my device sleep after turn on sleep after 15 minutes to save energy higher setting use more. So just make sure that all these are changed to never right here. So when you are on battery or so, then you can do the same right here. So when you're on battery, this simply means that if you are not plugging your PC, then you can easily click on here and make sure you choose never as well. And with that, everything is set. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.